Hey, good evening, Jeff. Was on the way home and thought I would see if I could get a little of the car sound here for you. We are just cruising through the neighborhood. You can see the car kind of changes the visuals at night here. All of a sudden everything's dark, like the map over here turns dark so it doesn't overpower you in the light. Don't know if you can see the mood lighting over in the far door. Not showing up much from what I'm looking at. But we'll take a run up by the fancy houses here. I'll turn off the radio and see if we can just get some nice pure car sound here for a moment. Come to a stop and start it back up. All right, down to 0. Turn off the radio. Nothing but the car and the road. It's a little wet. I won't do anything too crazy. Start it back up again, but without me talking this time. And it looks like it stopped raining. I'm going to actually crack the windows a little bit, see if we can get some of the outside sound here for you. Actually, just take them all the way down and even open up the sunroof. Get all the outside noise we can in here for you. Here we go. All right, I hope that did the trick. Enjoy, and I'll chat with you soon.